stuff. You got the money?
Actually, I'm undercover cop, and you're under arrest for selling drugs. Hands behind the back, buddy. Move.
Can't believe this.
Captain Williams, we got a Land Rover over here. We're gonna need confiscated. I just had a drug bust. A lot of drugs.
Wow. Home sweet home. Sure does feel good to be out of jail. Hey, wait a minute. They took my car. I'm going to call them right now and tell them I need my car back. Let me find their number. Hello, my name is Tyson Timbs. I was recently let out of jail on drug charges, but you guys still have my car.
Hello, sir. Let me check the records and see if I can help you out. Okay, so from what I'm seeing, we do have your car, but we aren't going to be able to give it back as of right now.
Well, why not?
Your car has been taken in due to asset forfeiture. Asset forfeiture, or asset seizure, is a form of confiscation of assets by the state. In the United States, it is a type of criminal justice financial obligation. It typically applies to the alleged proceeds or instruments of crime. This applies, but is not limited, to terrorist activities, drug-related crimes, and other criminal or even civil offenses. Some jurisdictions specifically use the term confiscation instead of forfeiture. The alleged purpose of asset forfeiture is to disrupt criminal activity by confiscating assets that have potentially could have been beneficial to the individual or organization.
Seriously? I can't believe this, man. I need my car back. My lawyer will be in touch. Grant County Courthouse, where Timbs makes his first case for why he should have his car back. Hello, my name is Tyson Timbs, and I'm filing a lawsuit against the state of Indiana for the forfeiture of my car. You seizing my Range Rover is a direct violation of the 8th Amendment's excessive fines clause. For my particular offense, the largest applicable fine is $10,000. However, my Range Rover is worth $42,000, which is more than 4 times the maximum amount. It is unconstitutional for the state of Indiana to force such an excessive fine upon me.
Yes, I agree that under the 8th Amendment's excessive fines clause, the seizing of your car is unconstitutional. It shall be returned to you immediately. Upon further review, the previous decision in the case will be upheld and Tyson Timbs' car shall be returned to him.
After further review of the Timbs versus the state of Indiana case, we have reversed the prior decision and the car shall remain seized. The 8th Amendment's excessive fines clause is not specifically ruled on under the 14th Amendment. The 14th Amendment, Section 1 states, "No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States, nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property, without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws." Because of the excessive fines clause not being ruled upon under the 14th Amendment, the excessive fines clause does not apply to state courts, only federal, meaning that there are no excessive fines in this case. Man, this is bullcrap. Finally get my car back, and then the Supreme Court of Indiana rules against me. I guess I'll have to take this to the Supreme Court.
The United States Supreme Court has come to an anonymous decision in favor of Tyson Timbs. Although the excessive fines clause is not directly stated under the 14th Amendment, it is still incorporated, and excessive fines is a factor in this case. We are sending this case back to the Indiana Supreme Court for further review on whether the seizing falls is constitutional. However, the argument that excessive fines is not valid under the 14th Amendment shall not be used.